everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing good. I'm sure you guys read the title, of course. So today I will be showing you guys my easiest college makeup routine. Being very honest, I'm not among those who are great at makeup and stuff. I'm still learning. So please don't judge me on the basis of it. Now, coming back to the topic, we all know nobody has enough time for doing proper makeup, like every step of it. It's normally about 3, 4, or 5 steps, but some people, I don't know how, have some superpowers who manage to do everything, every step of it somehow. How do you do it? I don't know. I mean, if you are among those, then comment down below about your superpowers, like how you manage to do such an amazing job every day. Also, please subscribe the channel if you haven't already and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID would be right here somewhere. Now let's start. First step is moisturizer. For moisturizing my face, I use this aloe vera gel. I don't use any other kind of lotion or anything because I have a very oily skin and they make it look more oily. So the tip is, if you have an oily skin, use a gel based moisturizer. And I use aloe vera gel because aloe vera is very good for your skin, so double benefits. I don't use any kind of foundation, concealer, BB cream, CC cream, nothing. I mean, that's just too much work and we don't have time for all this. So after moisturizing my face, I do my brows, and for these right here, I use an eyeshadow and this angular brush. This, you can see it. Here are your perfect brows. For my eyes, I use an eyeliner. I'm not going to make a wing liner, but of course that is really difficult. And that's it. So next I'll be using a little bit kajal with the same brush that I use for my brows. Bit of blush because obviously we don't want to look pale. lipsticks a lot, but if I do, then I choose a very natural kind of shade, not too dramatic of course. And for lipstick I'm using this. Just very little so that we don't look pale again. And that's it. This is my everyday college makeup routine. I had a lot of fun while shooting this video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.